The FreeStyle Libre 2 system app makes it easy to monitor your glucose directly on your smartphone. It also provides easy access to trends and patterns, so you can better understand how well you've been managing your glucose over time. The home screen displays information about your glucose over the last 24 hours and lets you know the remaining number of days before you may need to replace your sensor. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner of the home screen to view a list of available reports. Daily Patterns is the first report. It shows you how your glucose levels change during a typical day. It can help you and your healthcare professional identify times during the day when you might need to change how you're managing your diabetes. The Time in Target report shows the percentage of time you spent within, above, and below your target glucose range. There are several other reports available through the app, including low glucose events and average glucose. Not only does the FreeStyle Libre 2 app give you easy access to glucose reports that reveal trends and patterns, it gives you the option to share these reports with your healthcare provider or others to help you better manage your diabetes. Download the FreeStyle Libre 2 app today by visiting the App Store or Google Play.